Good morning, Year 4. It's Friday and the last maths lesson this week, and it would be nice to finish with an easy one after we've sort of been wrestling with division this week. So this one is called Correspondence Problems, and I put after the word correspondence connected because the elements in the problems are connected to one another in some way. So just a couple of things. The first piece of advice is to make sure you read the question. There's a lot of information on the page, so you need to make sure you read the question. And the second thing is to be systematic. So work in an order as you solve the problem, and then you won't make mistakes. Okay, so this one says a canteen has 2 types of bread and a choice of 3 sandwich fillings. So you have white and brown and cheese, tuna and chicken fillings. List the different sandwiches that can be made. One has been done for you. So the first one is cheese on white, and I would go for the other white options as a list, and then on this side the 3 types of sandwiches that you can have with brown bread. I'm not going to do it all for you to model it, okay, so you can see there. Alright, and then it says complete the multiplication to represent the number of different combinations of bread and filling. So we can see there are 2 different types of bread, 2 different types of bread and 3 different filling options. Okay, so it's really that simple. All right, so just coming to the last couple of questions on the sheet today. Same thing applies. Make sure you read the information. Here are the activity choices available at summer camp. There's sport, art and craft and outward bound. Each child is allowed to choose 3 activities per day, 1 sport, 1 arts and crafts and 1 outward bound. How many activity combinations are there? So we know that there are 3 for the sports, 4 for the art and craft and 3 for the outward bound. So how many different combinations are there? We could do 3 times 4 times 3, and don't forget multiplication is commutative, so if you found it easier to do 3 times 3 times 4, that would be fine. Alright, so it is really just a question of reading all the information. Okay, so I think super easy today. Work hard, have fun, and I look forward to seeing some of your work later on.